If you want to migrate to the UK for work, like you want to move on the skilled worker visa and you're having a challenge getting a job offer because you probably don't have a degree, or you're doing unskilled labor, or you have an OND, an HND, and maybe you're just finding it difficult to get a job because you don't meet the qualifications. Now, I want to let you know that you can get a skilled worker visa in the UK without a degree. You can get a job in the UK without a university degree. You can get a job with your OND, with your HND. If you're an unskilled worker, you can get a job in the UK and migrate on the skilled worker visa. I'm making this video because of the inquiry I've been getting. I get a lot of questions that, oh, I am an unskilled worker and I can't find a job in the UK. Everything I'm seeing is for graduates, is for highly skilled people. If you're one of those kind of people, then you really need to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you how you can migrate to the UK as a worker, how you can get a job in the UK and move to the UK on the skilled worker visa. If you're here for the first time, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to my channel where I share content to help you migrate abroad, to study, to work and to live. My mission on this channel is to assist you improve your quality of life by opening your minds to opportunities that exist for you abroad. If this is the kind of content you want to be watching, then consider subscribing to my channel and possibly turn on the post notification bell so you will know when I post a new video. Right now on my channel, there is so much content that you can take advantage of. I have content on how to migrate to several countries like the UK, the Netherlands, Ireland, Portugal, Japan, Australia, so many of them. So you may want to watch my old videos so you can know your options. And to my returning subscribers, I really want to appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my videos. Shout out to JBZ. You're always watching all my videos and I highly appreciate it. And if you've been watching my videos and you're yet to subscribe, I would really love to have you as a subscriber, so really consider subscribing to my channel. You've been watching my videos, so obviously you like what I do here, so support the channel by subscribing. Thank you so much. And also, I have something special for YouTubers and anyone that wants to be a creator here on YouTube. I have a channel where I teach you how to run a YouTube channel. You can check out that channel. The name is Jackie Finance. I'll be linking it up here and in the description box as well. So on that channel, I'll be sharing my secrets and strategies to running a successful YouTube channel and also other side hustles you can do online. So that channel is basically how to make money online. So if you want to be a part of that channel, then check out the link and join the channel. The name is Jackie Finance. Start by telling you what the skilled worker visa is. Reading from the UK government website, it says a skilled worker visa allows you to come to or stay in the UK to do an eligible job with an approved employer. What is the eligibility of this visa? To qualify for a skilled worker visa, you must work for a UK employer that's been approved by the Home Office. You must have a certificate of sponsorship, that is a COS, from your employer with information about the role you've been offered in the UK. You must do a job that's on the list of eligible occupations, and you must be paid a minimum salary. How much depends on the type of work you do. And you must be able to speak, read, write, and understand English. You need to prove your knowledge of English when you apply for this visa. That is, you will need to write the UK IELTS test. So how long can you stay in the UK on this visa? Your visa can last for up to 5 years before you need to extend it. You need to apply to extend or update your visa when it expires, or if you change jobs or your employer. So now you can see here that you can actually change jobs when you're in the UK on this visa. Let's say you get a job in the UK and your visa is for 5 years, because you know the skilled worker visa usually is for 5 years. You're not stuck with that employer for 5 years. You're free to change your employer. When you get into the UK and you get another employer that is willing to sponsor you on this skilled worker visa, then you can switch jobs. And on this visa, you can migrate with your dependents, your family, your spouse, and your children can join you to the UK on this visa. It takes only about 3 weeks to get a decision on your visa after you've applied for your visa. It takes 3 weeks to get a decision. So now you have a clear understanding about this visa. If you want to know more about it, I mean, you can go to the UK government website to read more about the skilled worker visa. Just wanted to give you an idea of what the skilled worker visa is all about, right? Okay, so let me now get into occupations. Remember we said to get a skilled worker visa, you need to do a job on the list of eligible occupations, right? So that is to say that it's not all occupations that you can get the skilled worker visa in. But in this video, I want to tell you how unskilled people can actually get this skilled worker visa. Just stick with me, I'm going to show you. So the UK has shortage occupations that are listed for the skilled worker visa, right? So let me take you through this list. For every occupation on this list, it means that there is labor shortage in those occupations. That is, they don't have enough workers in the UK to take up these jobs, so they are looking to hire from overseas, right? So let me take you through this list. It is not long. So we have health services and public health managers and directors. There is residential, day and domiciliary care managers and proprietors. And there is chemical scientists, only jobs in the nuclear industry. And there is biological scientists and biochemists, physical scientists, social and humanities scientists, only archaeologists, civil engineers in all jobs, mechanical engineers in all jobs, electrical engineers in all jobs, electronics engineers in all jobs, design and development engineers in all jobs, production and process engineers in all jobs, engineering professionals not elsewhere classified, all jobs, IT business analysts, architects and systems designers, all jobs, programmers and software development professionals, all jobs, web design and development professionals, all jobs, information technology and communications professionals not elsewhere classified, only cyber security specialists, veterinarians, all jobs, actuaries, economists and statisticians, architects, quality control and planning engineers, laboratory technicians, artists, all jobs, dancers and choreographers, musicians, art officers, producers and directors, graphic designers, welding trades, only high integrity pipe welders, care workers and home carers, and senior care workers. There are actually other occupations that foreigners are getting jobs in the UK and migrating to the UK on a work visa that are not mentioned in this list. And one of them is accountants. I personally know 3 accountants that got jobs from overseas and migrated to the UK to work. So if you're a skilled worker and the occupation is not on this list, you can still get a job in the UK. So the occupation on this list that non-degree holders can get into to get this skilled worker visa is the care workers and home carers. For these roles, you don't need a university degree to get jobs in these roles. Employers are employing people from over the age of 18 to do these roles. And an 18-year-old typically is not a university graduate, right? So these roles are open to anybody and everybody that has the desire to do it. These employers actually train the people they hire, so they can hire you as a newbie and then train you for the job, right? So I'm thinking that if you have the desire to migrate to the UK as a worker and you're unskilled, you don't have a university degree, you can actually look into moving to the UK as a care worker or a home carer, right? So let me tell you more about how you can migrate to the UK as a care worker or a home carer. As a matter of fact, I have a video on my channel about how to become a healthcare assistant in the UK without any background in health, without any experience. Like, anybody can jump on this and land the UK as a carer. You'll find the link in the top right corner of your screen and in the description box as well. So you can go through that video. I gave a step-by-step guide on how to make this happen from day one to when you land the UK on your new job. There's a video for that, so you can go watch it. I broke down the whole process in that video, but I'm just going to tell you a little bit more in this video. So as someone who doesn't have a university degree, how can you get a job as a carer? You can take a care certificate course online and it is completely free, and you can finish this course in a matter of days. In 1 week at most, you're going to finish this course, right? You can go to Florence Academy and get a care certificate course so you can apply for jobs in this role. And then something else you can do is to volunteer in a hospital or a care home around you to get an idea of what this job entails, so you can know if this is the kind of thing you want to be doing. And also do your research, go to Google and search what this job is all about to see if it's something you can do. So if it's something you can do, then by all means take advantage of this pathway to migrate to the UK. So if your occupation is not eligible for the skilled worker visa, you may want to look into this route. This is a route that thousands of people have migrated to the UK on. People from all walks of life have migrated to the UK as carers. Since the UK government added this occupation to the list in February 2022, thousands of people have actually gotten jobs as carers. People that are not in the UK, they get this job from overseas, and when they get the job offer, they apply for their skilled worker visa and they migrate down to the UK. So this is something you can totally do. So if you have this desire to move to the UK, but you don't have the qualification, you don't have the skills for other skilled jobs in the UK, then you may want to look at this. So if you're interested in moving to the UK as a carer, then let me know in the comments so I can do another video to break down the entire process for you. So let me know in the comments if you want to take advantage of this pathway, and let me know what you think about this pathway, and then we will take it up from there. If you found the content useful, do give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.